wrong. Monthly plan of April. So the welcome and beginning session of the new academic session. Analyze and review of home examination result. Conduct of annual day. Vidyalaya plan to be submitted to RO. Online admission as per schedule. Notification of committees and institutional planning, reporting of APAR of staff, then parent teachers meet, re-verification of UBI data, collection of fees of first quarter, issuing student diaries and Form 16, conduct VMC meeting, preparation of annual accounts, school fund, VBN, conduct of it. So these all things are to be planned, that is this month, that is in the month of April. So nothing started this year, but first is the welcoming of the new session, and then first of all analysis of the home examination. In every school, there will be, that is the ninth, that 11th class are to be reviewed by the principal, because these classes, the copies are checked by other schools, especially the 11th class. Ninth may be checked by their school itself, but 11th is checked by that is in region level. So when it is checked in region level, so there will be a chances of increase in failures, or that is in ninth also there may be increase in failures. Up to eighth it is all part. So there is again analysis and review of the home examination will be there. Then nowadays we have started such that the annual day to be conducted in the starting, that is in the month of April, so that in between, if we are taking in the month of December or January, there will be no obstructions there. So that in the year, that is a year, that is in the month of April, we can plan a program and then complete the program on winding up. This year it was also scheduled that the sports may be also completed by the month of June. So there is a plan given by the KVS and we have to follow that plan. Online admission was also not conducted this year due to some problems and due to this lockdown also. Then reporting of this APR. Every teachers have to give their own report. Teachers have to give their own report to the. Can you please mute the mic? Then parent teachers meet is there, and then UBI. That means we used to take fees online. That is called UBI data. So if there is any changes, if any student is taking PC or anything, we have to remove that child, and we have to check all the entries. When a child, they are having RTE students, so they are not paying fees. Up to class 8, they are not paying fees. And when they are coming to class 9, then they have to pay fees. So this UPI data and these all details we have to give it to the students. There may be 10 students in the class having, they are not paying the fees. Other than this 10 students, single girl child will be there. They are also not paying the fees. And then any other child who is having any problem, they can be there. Then PMC meeting, and the fund of the school may be allotted for the different program. That is the budget. All that activities will be there. Then this is conduct of regional sports meet. Then operationalize house system and introduction of calendar of activities. So we are having the activities for academic, CCA, and sports activity. And all the sports activities and CCA, we are dividing it, and as per the schedule, we have to complete the things in the given period. Registration, we are having the scout. So in the month of April, we have to register the students for the scouts and guide. Then contribution of regional sports control program. These are Rajya Bhasha Hindi. They are also having the meeting every month, and they will present it, and those who don't know Hindi, they may be also trained by the Hindi teachers. Then every month we have to give the enrollment position, and that may be uploaded in the that is our given Excel format may be given by the school, and that is given by the RO. So there we are going to end, and that is a category wise. Category wise, how many students are admitted? Category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is for the central government, transferable employees. 2 is for central government and autonomous also, where there no transfer is there. 3 is for the state government, where transferable transfer is there. And 4 is for that is our state government, autonomous and non-transferable employees of the state. And fifth is for the that is a private candidate. If any private student is coming, that parents are working in private sector, so they will also get a chance. But sometimes they used to get, sometimes they, and if they are coming in RTE, they will be getting. If they are giving all the format, they will be getting the RTE facility, so they can study. Then progress report, ICT and IT read. IT returns, that means Form 16 for the teachers. Then plan of the May, that is a month of the vacation. So in this time, so all the teachers will be giving the homework, vacation homework to the students, and that may be given in nowadays through WhatsApp we are giving, or in the diary they will note it down. Subject wise, it may be given. It is must that all teachers should give homework to the student, and also plan for the NCSC, National Children's Science Congress, as well as for the exhibitions and for any other activities. Then planning for maintenance during this absence, that is the students are not there. So whatever maintenance work is there, so that is that to be done this month. And those teachers who are attending in service course, they will be deputed for that one. They may be either maybe course director, or maybe resource person, or maybe the participant. Wherever it is there, they have to go. So no one can take excuse in the in-service course. It's a must. Once the name come through the regional office, you have to attend the course. And if you are not attending, then the strict actions are taken by the KV. That's why everyone is afraid. We used to attend the in-service course, and if it is genuine only, you will get the excuse. Then result analysis of board exam. The result used to come in the month of May or end or June, so that all activities the after is within 1 hour the complete result analysis is to be uploaded in the website. Whatever the result of individual school and the region have to collect all the results and then send to the headquarters, and within hours the headquarter will display the result of all India, which region is first. So this year the Trivandrum is the first, and with highest result in all, even the percentage wise, and the rank, the first rank also goes here. Then adventure activities, if any summer camp is here, that is also organized in between. They may be taking to Pachmadi or any mountain area, or there is a hilly area, or anything tracking camp. These are also organized in between. So they used to select 2 or 3 teachers so that they can go for this purpose. As well as some that is academic activities are also conducting in group. Plan for the June, were in the month of June. If in the month of April, that is the result used to declare, that means in the June we used to give admission. So this time we are giving admission for class 11. That is it, from the June 23rd. We have started collecting all the details, and it may be displayed today or by late evening. It may be displayed. And firstly, we used to give the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya. Then only we give the chance to other students. So now in KV 2, we are having 4 sessions. Only 3 sessions are there in 11. So now there is, we have to increase one more section. Then repair and maintenance work, whatever is painting or whatever work, that may be maintained. Then proposal for MACP, and these all These are all office work that may be up to date by the month of this June. Then plan for the July. Again, we are having quarterly fees, the first quarter, April, May, June, July, August, September, then October, November, like this. The quarterly, we are taking the fees. And then if any teacher want to take part in any competition, that is a teacher's award. So one award is a regional level award is there. That form may be in the month of September, maybe there. And one, this teacher award is for the national teacher award. For the nomination, you can fill the form for that one. Once you receive the regional award and national award, then you can apply for the teachers award, national award. That is national level. That is by the government. MHRD they may be giving. But one KVS also is giving incentive awards to the teacher. Then other program, that is environmental plantation book week. So we are having yesterday our sir Bhupen Srivastava may have told you about the book week. That is a lot of activities are conducted to enhance the reading. Nowadays, no one wants to read. So, a lot of activities were conducted, and those students who are taking part will be sending all the details as a given time period. So, there also we are given the position to all the students, those who have taken part. Social science and science exhibition in school level will be conducted. Then publication for Vidyalaya Patrika also the time is given, that is the July month. So we will collect all the material and prepare the Patrika. Then that is update of service record. The teachers have to update their service record. We are having one personal record also with us, and the school is also having record. That is EL or if you are taking CCL or whatever you are taking. In our personal diary also we have to record it. They have given the photocopy of the that is a service record. So that is one of the good thing. We are having one record with us. Then prepare budget of the school fund again by with the VVN, that is a Vidyalaya Vikas Nidhi. In fees we are getting. Then constitution of the school, council, PTA, the new members, all activities we plan in the month of July. Then again, that may be continuing in the month of August also. So there is one thing is here, that is in the RO level, one youth parliament is here. In youth parliament, the students will behave as a will act as a parliament. There is a MP and all the members like we used to set up the parliament in the school, and that in regional level, 2 or 3 schools are allotted to do this such act. So 2 or 3 schools will in one cluster. From one cluster, one will be coming. So regional level will be there. Then national level will be there. Even the zonal level is also there, because in this social science as well as youth parliament, about 50 to 60 students may be taking part in that. 50 to 60. So a lot of students are there. That's why very few students are given the very few schools are given the chance. Once they get, and after 5 years, they will be getting again that. So our school also got a chance for that is a youth parliament. They took part and they got first prize in the national level, and they also got a chance to visit the parliament, and they got a grand welcome in the parliament of our students. So then our projects, assignments, what all things are there, investor ceremony, that is of the school captain, and these are all the activities. Lot of activities are planned in regional level as well as national level, and we have to conduct all the program. And if we are not conducting it, the question may be raised to the principal. So the principal, the key instruct all the teacher department wise to take all the actions. In the September month, that is the celebration of Teachers Day, and Hindi Divas is also there. Hindi Pakawada, that is that is fortnight, that 14 days program will be there, and Teachers Day will also be there. Swachh Bharat will be also there, because Swachh Bharat is sent by the Ministry of Department, that is a HRD, they are sending. So we have to conduct a lot of program in the month of September. Other than this, again, plantation will also be there in that month. Then how many plants we have to plant it in this month? This month we have to send it and increase the number of plants in your school campus. We have to increase it. Then for primary, we are having mini sports meet and annual sports meet. Plan of October, that is again we tell that Gandhi Jayanti we are having holiday. No, we are celebrating that day. We are having some duties. The scout and guide they are also coming. All those members who are active they used to come to the school for celebration, Gandhi Jayanti celebration. Then again the next quarter fees, and then we are having the that is that is break. We are having break in the month of October. Then all that activities sent by the central government, that is vigilance week, we have to take oath, and then we have to send the report how many teachers have taken oath and how many teachers have taken online oath, and you have to give the record. And if the teacher has not taken the oath, the teacher have to give the oath record. That means online they have taken it, and then principal will be sending it. That is one of the problem we are facing. Sometimes the net may be not there, but we have to give means we have to give. So everything we are taking part in all that program. The plan of the November, that is Children Day, National Education Day. So whatever they celebrate, all that program will be celebrated in the school beside academic. All that activity. And that is our next one. There are some schools will be having the different types of vacation. Uh, that is in Jammu Kashmir, they are having different one. In the celebration of Foundation Day, the previous Foundation Day on 15th December. So if the teachers are taking part in the incentive award, so they have to fill the form in the month of November, and they may be selected in the month of December, and award ceremony plus KVS Foundation both will be going on. National Energy Conservation Day is here. Again, that day is celebrated, and more than 500 students may be taking part in that one through the drawing competitions, essay, and then quiz competitions are there. So all things we have to conduct, we have to take the video, and we have to upload daily. Then planning for the month of January. Planning for the month of January. Okay, this is the most, that is the December month is also most important month for the board classes. Most. So here we are assigning students for the vacation, but we are not giving vacations to those students who are showing poor performance in that is a class. So we are going to take the class. Even the teachers are not getting. The teachers have to sit with the students. Those who are showing poor, there may be about 10 or 15 students there. So we have to take class during that time. And after that is here, the second pre-board is here. Again, if we are not getting the result, we have to take class again. Remedial class. We have to take remedial class. Then parent teacher meeting will be there. After every pre-board exam, we used to take parent teacher meeting. So parents are unable to come, but they and what timetable is given to them every mataki, that is the students those who are weak in studies they have to come, parents will also come, and during the holidays if they are coming the parents have to bring the students to the school campus, and then they are going to take them back also. Then Everything should be updated and the service record and everything. Then practical examination for 10th and 12th. Though class 10, it is internal and we are giving the marks according to that one. And class 12, we are having practicals in the month of February. Then for the next, this is the printing brochure for the next year. And nowadays we are not printing too much brochures because online admissions are there. So we used to send it online, all these things. These are all the Cup Bulbul activities that is in the primary. February 22nd is a thinking day celebration. So we used to celebrate that in grand. Those who are in Scout and Guide, teachers as well as the students, they join together to form. And we are having in between Tritiya Sopan, then all that one in the regional level as well as the national level. For the March board exam, and that all that is a planning session finished up to the March, that is a academic part finished. Now we will start to the next one. So up to here, so month-wise checkup. So what all things are there? I don't know about this MIS and PIS. I will tell you about that one later on. Okay. And if there is, for example, in our school, there are for 20, for example, permanent teachers are there. And we need 10 more teachers. Okay. And there we have to provide shortage of salary and resolve. We have to send to the RO, regional office, for the salary and all for the contractual teachers. We have to send the staff position every month. And if there is any shortage there or if there the vacancy is there, any teacher want the transfer, a particular time is there. So during that transfer, the vacant position may be shown by the particular school so that the teacher can ask for that place. Then conduct faculty meeting and staff meeting. We are having the websites and the website should be updated, and you can visit our website and see what all things are there. Everything is updated. Whatever notice we are putting in the that is school, that may be there in the website first, and then only we are showing to the others. These are maintained by this financial matters. Now I am going to switching on to this one lab setup. Stop share. I'm coming to the lab setup of lab setup. I have given already the format of that one to you all, but I have given to the department. Uh, but I'm going to show to you just the brief of this one. Okay, developing good laboratories in school. Okay, is one of the important. Why? I hear and I forget. I see, I remember. I do and I understand. It's my confusion. That is here. If you see, then you will learn better. So lab is one of the important thing for everyone in primary to that is up to the secondary. In secondary we are having big labs, but in primary we are having the department such that all things are assembled, all math, science, all things are assembled together in one. So, okay, you can read this one. Okay. Need of junior science laboratories in Cambridge. It's one of the important things that why hands-on learning has become a common phrase in science education. Hands-on learning is the only way students can directly observe and understand science. As students develop effective techniques for observing and testing everything around them, they learn the what, how, when, and why of the things with which they interact. These experiences are necessary if the youngsters of today are to remain turned on to science and become scientifically trained. I just want to tell about the labs. In Kendriya Vidyalaya, we are having the science lab is there. That is in science, physics, chemistry, bio lab is there. Other than this, we are having junior science lab. And we are having the language lab. Just now, we have started the language lab in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2. A complete room is there for this language lab. Previously, a small room was provided and just recording was there. But now we are having a very big setup. We are going to start the adult tinkering lab also. So in Kendriya Vidyalaya, if teacher is teaching science, so that teacher is giving experience to see all these things. So we are going to start the adult tinkering lab. It's already sanctioned. We are going to start. Now the demand is of robotics and everything. We need the present scenario, what we need. You may be knowing about artificial intelligence. AI is there. So I have taken the training for the AI also. So we are already started from class 8. CBSE has started AI as the elective subject. So that subject will help in the future. It will be helpful in the future. Just now we are seeing our difficulties. That is online training. But as I am a little bit acquainted with the computer and these all, it will help me to handle such situations. So AI is there. We have started AI. Kendriya Vidyalaya started AI. The CBSE started this from the class 8. Then we have started that is a language lab is here. We have started the mathematical lab is here. Then other than this, already in every school we are having chemistry, physics, and bio. Junior science lab is there. Junior science. And these all things are related to the lab size. It is up to you how you are going to take up this. But if in KV, a prescribed size is there. And if we are having the building, number 2 is having their own building, number 1 is also having own building, and we are having the room such that it can accommodate 25 to 30 students of a class. And in junior science lab, 6 to 10 students will be. That lab will also contain these all facility for the teachers and the students. And the design, everything is prescribed. A benchmark is given by the KV as well as CBSE. And if you are coming under CBSE, so there is some rule and regulations here. And we have to follow all that things. Then only the CBSE will give the approval. The same thing, the KVS is also giving a benchmark, and we are following that benchmark. So how to make the lab to be set up. And if we are in any other building, if we are hiring any other building, so we cannot do these all things, but we are having own building, so we are following the benchmark. Okay, demonstration. And there is a particular syllabus for every activity. And that syllabus is that is pasted in the that is the display board. And as per the month, we have to conduct the activity. Especially in 10th and 12th, 11th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, the practicals are there. But other classes, we are having small activities that can be conducted in the class, or a group of 25 students can be brought to the class. In two group, we can bring to the, that is a junior science lab. So we are having science exhibition, Vidyalaya level, cluster level, regional level, national. Then, and that is during our assembly, one day is for the science activity. One morning assembly activity, one experiment may be there, or it may be someone's innovation or discovery or anything, or may be related to the discoveries, quiz may be there. Another thing is must in every lab is that fire extinguisher, because we handle there sometimes fire or electricity or all are there. Sometimes there's a chance, so we are having fire extinguisher in all our department. All our department we are having fire extinguisher, and that to be updated. And that to be, if it is old, it won't work. Then power supply, water supply, exhaust, a ventilator, that and interactive boards. And we are lucky. KV number 2 is lucky that we got interactive board in the complete class. All classes are well equipped. Number 2. But in KVS, that means we are giving interactive board. If there are 4 sessions, are there, one section may be having interactive board. The class may be rotating. That is, one class may be in 1 week. The second B will be the second week. Like this, it's moving. But KV number 2 is having all the things. Interactive board is there. LCD projectors are there. So that's why it works well in KV number 2. And KV number 2 is under the collector. So it's a civil school. And then we should also keep that all the lab in charges should keep one mini subject library. That is, these all books should be there. And we are having enough specimen books are also there. So we used to keep it all the specimen book, practical book, so that if any child is having any problem, they can consult the book. One of the thing that is we also need internet connection. It is must. Whenever in headquarters they are asking about the lab, we have to give in writing that internet connection with broadband connectivity. It's a must in all the rooms. There is a labs as well as the staff room also. Everything is online nowadays. First aid may be there. Equipment should be there. You know all the things. That is what all equipments are there in the lab. Then LCD projector. Then this is called the Magic Studio. It's Magic Studio is an device where many things are compiled together. That may contain CD, that may contain CD, or they may contain CD drive is there. You can use it for that is a video. You can use it for tape recorder. Many things, but it's not so good. Better to use that LCD projector that contain only one at a time. This Magic Studio is a little bit complicated one, and it was given up by the KVS to many of the schools. Then, what all things are there in the lab? All things are common in all the schools. Then, yes, keeping your lab functional. You have to keep your lab functional. All things should be updated. If you are having any problem, we used to complain to our department in charge. That is a SUPW teacher. They used to look after these all activities. Any problem? Yes, the stock verification is must. Regularly, it is done in the end of. So this year we could not do this one, but though we have completed many of the things, this that is in the month of March we have to complete it. We have to complete in the month. That is few of the things we have updated it. Stock verification. And if your articles are in a poor condition, it's not functional, and you have to see that how much time period is given for that one. You can condemn that one. For that, a condemnation process is here, and you can follow that condemnation process. And nowadays, lab attendant, there is no lab attendant also there. So we are having the shortage. So we are that lab attendant of our school also. There is a shortage of people nowadays. Regular employees are not there for the sub staff and these all. So there, during the practical board examination, the school used to provide it, but we are having one. These are the apparatus to be included in junior science lab. The simple things should be there so that the students of class 6 to 10 may get a chance to see hands-on experience. Otherwise, only 11th and 12th students are going to practical lab. Then this is the life of the apparatus. We used to make two register for consumable and non-consumable, and there is a time period for these all things. And if it is a consumable item, if it is broken, you won't be we won't be charging any money for the student for these all things. So there is a time period for that one. So this is the layout design of junior science lab. We are having a screen with a whiteboard, and in front of that one instructor table is there, exit door, and here you should have the windows, ventilators should be provided, and we are having LCD projector. This is a store. It depends upon the different type of, it may be in the back also sometimes, it may be in the front. So at a time about 20 to 25 students may be there in a class, and too much students if they are entering, it create lot of problem. Setting of computer laboratory, it is one of the important thing, uh, the demanding thing of the present scenario. There are three kind of death in the world. There's heart death, brain death, and there's being off the network. Yes, without the network nowadays it cannot work. We are here working because of the network facility. If no net means the program is switched off. So we are lucky to have the network connection here. So need of computer lab, that you know it. Every school should have a junior computer, that is a computer lab, and senior computer lab should be there. Hand-on experience should be provided to them. So we are taking 100 rupees per month, the fees. The fees is there, 300 rupees quarterly. Then the school should also have the internet facility. We are having internet facility, especially the class 10 students. They were given the tab and they can also use the internet. The Wi-Fi was provided to the students. Benchmark for computer. You just see it. How many labs should be there? Electrical fitting, that should be updated. Otherwise, if this electrical fitting is not good, the computer will not be working. Fire extinguisher, air conditioners, yes, that is must here. So air conditioners are there. So according to the size of the room, you have to purchase the air conditioner. When exhaust fan, ventilators, flooring, whiteboard, display board, built-in Almira, cabinet, computer table, personal computer, peripherals, video projection. So we are having all the facilities. So whenever we demand these all things to the principal used to provide us. That's why we are lucky to be under the Prabha Minj Madam. And usage, everything should be used by everyone. The students are using, the teachers are using, and everyone should be able to use these all that is gadgets given by the AV or the school. Yes, it is maintenance and cleanliness work. That is also one of the, yes, that is AMC, annual maintenance contract. We are giving this to one of them so that in monthly or 15 days, if we are having any problem in any printing or any other activity, they used to come and get it checked. Any problem related to that one. This is the layout design of computer lab. It depends upon it depends upon the teacher also how to design this one. So this is one of the maths activity that was presented by the student. This is the lab, bio lab. This is physics lab. You can see this one telescope. This telescope were made by our students from all over India. That is from the sorry. The KVS has given this project to some of the regions. So in Raipur region, we have conducted this telescope making, and in which the students of our school made this telescope. And we have used this telescope to see that the eclipse. So one eclipse was that the Mars came in front, and in one, it was a night was day. So the KVS has made such that the students of class 11 and senior students 9 to 11, the 9 to 12, the 12th class also can come. Those parents allowed. They all came and stayed in the school and was the night. And we could see all that activity, heavenly bodies, we could see through this one. This is a big pipe. And with the help of this, we have made this one. And another thing, we got many costly items from now. This is of the items for the physics department. Now we are going to get, that is a robotics, how to make the cubes, cuboid, AI training we are going to get. Junior science lab. Okay. So we have finished up to 2 sessions so fast running. You may have got something related to KV. So this year we have started language lab. Language lab. So all recording of the voice, and then how to learn pronunciation. These all things we are going to learn this year using the language lab. Then I ran so fast that I could complete within that time. After afternoon session means it's one way hearing only is going on. And then
Madam, we are listening to what you're saying, madam. Also, we are looking into the activities and the infrastructure of KVs, and we are quietly following those things, madam.
okay, I can see Ami madam. So when I was in Mahasamund, you may have met me. Now you remember me.
I remember very well. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Very good. It was very nice watching you, hearing you.
And
Even my daughter is in KV here, Masamun.
now also you are in Mahasamund.
Yeah, we are in Masamun. My daughter is studying in Masamun. She is in 11th standard now.
Oh, the 10th result over. So now 11.
Whatever you were seeing, I was like experiencing things.
So here in KV, the only thing that whatever things used to be sent through HRD, that also we have to conduct. And from RO also we have to conduct. So that's lot of programs are there. Now everything shut down due to this lockdown. I'm taking class in Google Classroom. That's good. We have to teach the students also to how to use this Google Classroom.
Ma'am, could you please tell us a little more about the English lab there in your KV2?
Which subject?
English laboratory. You said that there is an English laboratory there.
KV number 2.
Yeah.
Just started. We have started it.
Do you have any picture of that? I mean, any pic of that?
Yes, I can send it to just now. I'm having in my WhatsApp.
Okay.
How to send it to you? Then once I have taken your number, I will show it to you just now.
Yeah, ma'am, that's right. Well, I think everybody is like interested in knowing that particular part. We here in state government schools, we don't have that kind of thing here right now. Other than this, so many other labs are there.
Can you see this one?
I can see, I can see. I can see, ma'am, I can see.
This is
I
the
have a lab. Yeah, yeah, ma'am, I can see that.
learn. Are going
Yeah, it was very nice.
to
This is a
one of the
good
good thing.
project,
That
ma'am.
means that is about 13 lakh
Yeah.
Atal. That is also good. But only thing how to use it.
Have you started
So if
English laboratory there? Can you hear me? Is the internet working right now? I mean, I can't hear anything about what ma'am is saying. Hello?
Yes, nothing is audible.
It's completely silent from that side. That's why I was worrying. Elizabeth, ma'am, can you hear me? Darshan sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Achha, but no voice is coming from that side, sir.
I'm hearing you, sound, ma'am.
Yeah, but Elizabeth ma'am's voice is not coming. It's not audible at all.